How to log out from all devices in Outlook. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar, and search for Outlook. Now open up the first website. Now click on sign in. Now enter your email address. Click on next. Now verify the authentication. Now go back to web browser and click on yes. Now tap on three lines. Go to settings, tap on account and click on change password. Now enter your current password. Now enter your new password. Then re-enter your password and click on save. Now this will log out your Outlook account in all your devices. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.